All right. Hello, everyone. Here's the week 5 bank program update. So, this week, it's almost identical to what last week is, but there was one major change. And we added a ninth option, which is add contact information to an account. And the way we did this is, first we used the same, try to look up ID stuff. We took that, but now instead, what happens is it's going to display after they find the correct ID for that person, and then it'll ask you to get contacts, which, interestingly enough, we had to create another class called contacts. So we go back to the account program, and this is where we have the get contact class. So this is so that person's ID and account can be linked to the contact. And so we go here, and now we're going to look at this get contacts, and then what ends up happening is we have a pointer of the contact, and then it goes to initializer of the contact. So if we go over here, we only have the contact and display and get created. But we only really use the initializer and the display. And so what happens is we go into the initializer and we have the CIN. Ignore again, this is just to prevent skipping of lines. And we have console out called enter address, and then get line, and for all the information of the address. And that's all it is. And then the only difference is if we go to the account display. So after you create the contact, what ends up happening is it can display the contact information if it exists. And so that's where the display function in contacts come into play. And so let's run it real quick. It might take a second. And there we go. All right. So let's create 3 accounts. And so we'll start with account Isaac, and we'll give him $2,000. We'll go for that. And then we'll create another account. We'll call it Ian. And we'll give that one 2, 3, 4, 5. $2,345,000. And then after that, we are going to create one more account. Let's call it Tom. And we're going to give it 3,000. Cool. Now, let's display all the accounts we have. All right, cool. Let's see. As we can see, the account ID is just based off the order that they were made, but that doesn't really matter very much right now. So we're going to add contact info to, let's say, Tom. So the ID for Tom is 2. So we press that. And I found Tom, and it displays your balance that you have. And now we're going to enter in the address for Tom. And so let's say Tom lives on 123 South 9th West Street. And then we'll say the city he's in is Ferry. We'll go Ferry. And then the state, we're gonna say we'll call it land. And zip code, we will go 12345. And then his phone number will be 12345678890. And so if we display all of them, we end up seeing that at the bottom of the account that we get to see the contact information for Tom, which is great. So yeah, that's the update to this bank program for week 5. Yeah, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. All right, bye.